Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix the stories option not showing in your messenger. So I will show you how to fix it. First of all, you have to just open your messenger app and then click on the three dots at the top left corner and then click on the settings icon here and then scroll down, click on the privacy and safety and then click on the story control at the bottom of this page. And here you can see an option of who can see your story. You have to just turn it to the public one and then save it. After this, again click on the save, and now you have to just close this and then restart your device one time. After restarting, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get the story option in your messenger and your story will start successfully showing. But in some cases this method not work, then you have to just move to the second method. Open your Play Store and then search here for your messenger and check that if any update is available, then you have to just update it. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.